Alright guys, so today we're gonna be summoning the moon. Alright, everyone go on top of Stump. Let me help you because I'm the one who told you guys to come in here, so. Alright.
I already know the Stump thing.
Me too. I learned about it today.
We need one more person. No, we don't.
We just need 3. Alright. See, everyone, look at this, bro. This is amazing.
I think I have teeth.
This is amazing, bro. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Also, ignore the background. That's just my mom watching the movie. Alright. Whoa. Now this is sick. Okay. I learned about this today. I figured out how to spawn this today. You already know how to summon it because I literally showed you. So, in this video, I showed you, so yeah. Alright. Yo guys, you're in a video. I'm a YouTuber. Yo, guys, did you hear me? You're in a video. I'm a YouTuber. Not a famous one, but. Red, come here. Red, come here. Where are you? Red. 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 I'm a YouTuber. Say subscribe.
Subscribe to his and mine. Oh my god.
Well, they don't even know you're YouTube. Oh crap! Dang it!
Guys, go back to the top.
Yo, Red.
Yeah.
My YouTube is Dog in VR. Just letting you know. Alright, let's summon it again. And then that'll be the end of the video. I don't want it to be super long because I have to go to bed. So.
Hold on. We're summoning the Guardians of the Moon. Summoning God.
There we go. There we go. Funk do bounce da da. Wait, no way. I actually might be able to do it. I think I might be able to get out the map. Wait. This is sick. I might be able to get out. Because I did this in mountains. And the things weren't that, the ice things weren't that slick because it was low gravity. So honestly, I think I might be able to do this. What? Oh, I'm in front of the TV. Yeah, no, the walls are too slippery. But if they weren't slippery, this would be so easy to leave the map. No, don't do that.
No, wait, so we can get out of the map.
No, you still won't be able to. Because the walls are too slippery.
Guys, we gotta go to the top of the street and hit it from there.
You probably don't have mods, so there's no way.
Oh. You're asking.
Okay, well, alright, I'm gonna end this video right now.
Wait, what?
Crap, you can't see my username. Well, bye.
I hope it doesn't stop soon. Guys!
This is my username in Gorilla Tag. If you ever see me, just say I know your YouTube channel. Alright.
I need 2 more people. We going green.
Bye everyone. Have a good day.
Awesome.